Okay, this is the first snack of the flight. What are they? Sour cream and chive pretzels. Are they good? Excellent. Okay, here's first drink of the day. I got a little Jack Daniels, a little lemonade, some ice. Okay, so there is the onboard kind of flight entertainment thing. We got movies, loads of movies, TV shows, some music, AC/DC, got games. They even got news, but that's not working right now. And this map's pretty cool too. You can kind of see it from London to Vegas. And I got a little map. There's the flight map. It's pretty cool. You know, you can rotate, zoom, and it shows you certain things on the way. That's pretty cool, right? So right now on the 787, got USBs, headphones, little fold-out table, got a bear, little coat hanger, cup holders. Okay, I have chicken and mushroom sauce. So right there, I guess that's mashed potato and peas. Got a good dessert, ginger. Got a red wine. You got a white wine. Got crackers and a salad. Not bad, is it? I got tea and milk, no? You got orange juice.
Yeah, but look who's partying hard over here.
Yeah, not bad. Got a little goodie bag here. Got headphones. Got a blanket. And a mini pillow. And what are you eating?
It's like chocolate, orange, or ginger or something.
Chocolate, orange, ginger.
3D there.
Even more stuff now.
Wine made him a bit
Got ice lollies. Got ice cream in. These are the toilets. They're quite basic, but you know, you can have a full shave if you want. Got a cheese and tomato pasty. And another drink right there. Okay, another meal. Getting kind of full now. It's afternoon tea. Pretty cool design inside.
Coffee and tea coming too.
Yeah, coffee and tea. Got a scone, quite a cream and jam, and a Japanese roll, pesto and stuff.